What's the meaning of agenda? Agenda. 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 Agenda refers to a list of items or topics that need to be addressed, discussed, or acted upon during a meeting, conference, or event. It serves as a guide for participants to stay on track and achieve specific objectives. An agenda usually includes the time allocated for each item, the name of the presenter or person responsible, and the purpose or desired outcome. Having a clear agenda can help ensure that meetings or events are productive, organized, and efficient in achieving their intended goals.